Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken files on Wix. So, broken files on your Wix website can hurt your user experience. Whether it's missing images, failed downloads or broken links, here's how to quickly fix them. Go to your Wix editor, navigate to the page where the broken files appears and look for broken images and icons and non-clickable buttons or missing downloads. Note the file name or link associated with the issue. Now, go to Media Manager on your Wix dashboard, delete the broken or missing file, click Upload Media and re-upload a working version of the file. Make sure it's in the correct format, that is JPEG, PNG, PDF, etc. Now, go back to the element, image or button or download link using the file, click it and replace the file with a newly uploaded one. For buttons or links, update the URL or media file they are connected to. You can use the preview mode to test if the image loads or file downloads properly. You can open the site on a real browser to ensure everything works correctly. Once verified, hit publish to apply changes to the live site. You should also regularly check for broken files to keep your website functional. And that's it. Fixing broken links on Wix is easy when you follow these steps. Also, stay updated with file health to ensure your visitors have a smooth experience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.